Industry growth has driven significant change in the solar cell manufacturing landscape. Today's factories produce wafers in higher volumes, at higher efficiencies, and at lower costs than ever before. Even with these dramatic advancements, we are just beginning to realize the improvements that can be found by focusing on the key performance factors impacting factory productivity, cell efficiencies, and production costs. In order to achieve the next level of performance in their factories, manufacturers need equipment vendors that provide them with the ability to properly segment, control, and adjust key process parameters. Availability, productivity, and stability are also required to deliver maximum product yield, quality, and consistency. Despatch recognizes the challenges with each step of the drying and firing process: aluminum, silver, binder burnout, and contact firing. With the recent development and introduction of the DriTech dryer, Despatch offers the industry the first environmentally friendly dryer that provides the capability to specifically tailor the drying profile to address the individual integration needs of different silver and aluminum pastes. With the DriTech dryer, no smoke or odor escapes into the facility or environment, removing related health and safety issues and slashing operational costs. And Despatch's industry-changing point-of-use abatement technology eliminates VOC maintenance. Patented hybrid drying technology is utilized in the new DriTech dryer to decouple the removal of VOCs while leaving the binder intact until the final moments prior to firing. Fast ramping to paste-specific temperatures ensures complete and repeatable levels of drying without exceeding the temperature threshold of binders. With repeatable drying performance and upstream-borne furnace contamination no longer a barrier, Despatch was able to develop an entirely new furnace focused exclusively on process control and firing. The new Despatch Safire furnace is designed around the real-world environment of upstream variability and the need for the tool to fire each cell in the paste process window regardless of wafer flow. Conventional firing furnaces are highly thermally reactive, and thermal profiles vary widely depending on uniformity of wafer flow. Varying peak temperatures cause some cells to be fired outside of the capability range of the paste, resulting in a reduction in cell efficiency and yield. Only in a stable and repeatable environment can the capability of features designed around advanced architectures and materials be realized. Safire's microzone technology provides the ability to precisely tailor the duration of the burnout interval, time above the melting temperature, peak firing profile, and cooling profile. These features are necessary for new materials and architectures to reach their full and sometimes undiscovered potential. Increasingly, one thermal profile is not adequate for advanced cell structures. Most of the new silver and aluminum pastes are optimally fired at increasingly disparate temperatures. The Safire Advanced Select Fire technology enables the creation of significantly different thermal experiences for the top and bottom of the cell, both optimized around the ideal material firing condition. In the Safire, Despatch has segmented and optimized critical components of the cell process for maximum control and performance. VOC removal is decoupled from the burnout process to prevent furnace and facility contamination and to increase yields. Burnout is decoupled from firing to ensure proper binder removal, and the firing zone remains contamination-free and producing a stable and repeatable thermal experience. Dual independent chambers for complete elimination of lane-to-lane loading influence. Decoupling the firing of the top and bottom of the wafer, allowing independent optimization of silver and aluminum firing. Influence of the transport belt on the cell has been reduced through innovative geometry and mass distribution. The Despatch Safire firing furnace is an innovative, industry-changing tool built on the solid foundation of process repeatability. Only with this fundamental building block in place can the value of the performance features required by today's architectures be realized. Contact Despatch today for a more detailed look at the Safire and to discover how this revolutionary firing furnace will drive your production lines to the next level of performance.